So it's a very surprising thing when I got. Question is not of me being MP. I'm just like an ordinary citizen. But since I had contested elections, I had all the documents, and the ECI went through all the entire scrutiny, the process of checking my documents. And they were satisfied, and that is how my nomination was through, just a year back. And now you are telling me to prove the same documents. So it's an irony. But the serious thing is, what about those citizens, the common man, who you are going and telling him to prove? Prove what? Elderly people, from where will they get documents? They're telling you go to the system, go to the internet and check. You can't tell the elderly people to do that. You should have had a support system, some sort of a help desk, that whoever is having a problem, come, we will trace out. Now when the notice came to me, I immediately went to the net, opened the ECI website and traced my name from 1989 when I was voting. Now what happens to those common men who have no access, elderly people who have no access, people who may be less educated? Where do they go? Now I am more worried about many of our Hindu brethren in Goa, in North Goa, because during that CAA and NRC movement, we came to know many of them, the previous generation, they did not have documents. At that time the documentation was not proper. Now what happens to them? You can't target them. There has to be a system. You cannot tell a citizen, prove yourself that you are a citizen. It should be the other way around. You are trying to prevent a person, a citizen, from casting his vote. The same person who is paying taxes, and you ECI officials and government officials are getting a salary. You are telling that same taxpayer to prove his existence, his residency, his identity. This is the irony. And if at all they wanted to come out with a system, it should have been so simple, since our Honorable Prime Minister says that he is 4th standard pass. So that level should have been till 4th standard. A 4th standard person can understand. I took part in this protest even in Parliament, inside Parliament. And this is exactly what we were saying. That it is a flawed system. Your SIR thing, what are you targeting? Who are you targeting? Now, in Goa, documentation is very good. Right from pre-liberation to thereafter, you go to the registration office or anywhere, you get your documents. And that is why I am very positive and confident. I have the documents, I will submit the documents. Now, one government official contacted me and said, sir, in that form, why didn't you put that AC number? So I clearly remember seeing when that enumeration form had come. A/C number. What it means? Account number. So I left it blank because I didn't know what is the account number. Maybe ECI some code. Today I am being told, no sir, that is A means assembly and C means constituency. A/C. Now who the hell knows that AC stands for assembly/constituency? See, in this case, this young man, the BLO who had come, he is very sincere. He has been going all around trying to help people, giving whatever those forms. Now, they will try to blame the BLO. I think so, he is innocent. The systematic fault which is there has to be addressed. Not the person who came and gave me the notice. It is not his fault. But yes, we have got reports of BLO in other neighboring constituencies where they are targeting certain section of voters to cancel their name. That should have been addressed. Not these innocent, hard-working fellows who, despite their additional duties, they are doing also these duties.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.